Hey, students of class 11 and 12, how are you? I hope that you are fine. I am also fine. Dear students, welcome to the online class. I am Raghunath Punik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today I will discuss a mathematical problem from the chapter 3rd of Statistics second paper, topics mathematical expectation. Previous lecture I discussed a basic discussion and mathematical problem from this chapter. Dear students, let's start our class. The mathematical problem is, I read, the probability density function of a random variable x is given below. Fx equal to kx, range 0 less than x less than 4, 0 otherwise. First question is, find the value of k, and second, find out the value of probability 1 less than x less than 2 and probability y is greater than 2. And third question, find the value of expectation of x and variance of x. Okay, dear students, I will solve this problem. You will write your copy. At first, I have to find the value of k, constant value, given, okay, solution, given f of x equal to kx, where the range is 0 less than x less than 4 and 0 otherwise. Dear students, we know integration 0 to 4 f of x dx equal to 1, putting the value of function fx 0 to 4 fx into kx dx 1, that's equal to k integration 0 to 4 x dx. The value is third bracket x square by 2 0 4 equal to 1 or equal to, putting the upper value of this value k 4 square by 2 minus 0 equal to 1 or k into 16 by 2 equal to 1 or 16k equal to 2 or k equal to 2 by 16, so k equal to 1 by 8. That's answer. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood the value of k. Now we have to find the value answer the solution of question number 2. From 1 we get, from 1 we get k equal to 1 by 8. Now the value of, now probability of 1 less than x less than 2. Okay, we have to write integral 1 to 2 fx dx. Okay, now putting the function 1 to 2 fx equal to kx dx, putting the value of k 1 by 8 x dx, or lot length is 1. The we have to write 1 by 8 integration 1 to 2 x dx, or 1 by 8, the integral value is x square by 2 1 to 1 by 8 2 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2. We have to write 2 minus half equal to 1 by 8 into 2, 4 minus 1, or equal to 3 by 16. That's answer. Again, okay, dear students, you have understand the value of probability 1 less than 2. Now we have to write the value is probability of, again probability of x greater than 2. We have to write upper value is 4 and lower limit is 2. Now we have to write the integral value. Lower is 2, upper 4 fx dx. Now are equal to 2 4 integral 2 4 kx dx, or 1 by 8 integration 2 to 4 x dx, 1 by 8 x square by 2, upper range is 4, lower is 2. We have to write 1 by 8 4 square by 2 minus 2 square by 2, 1 by 8 2 LCM 2, 16 minus 4, 1 by 8 into 12 by 2, 6 3 4 equal to 3 by 4. Answer. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the calculated value of probability of x greater than 2. Now I have to find out the value of expectation of x and variance of x, that means mean and variance. Question number 3. Question number 3. Expectation of x equal to, we know expectation of x equal to integration 0 to 4 x fx dx. We have to write 0 to 4 x kx dx equal to 0 to 4 k value is 1 by 8 x square dx, 1 by 8 x cube by 3, 0 to 4. Now we have to write the value is 4 cube by 3 minus 0, or equal to 1 by 8 into 64 by 3 equal to 8 by 3. This is the expected value of x, that means mean. Now we know variance of x equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. That's equation number 1. Now expectation of x square equal to integration 0 to 4 x square f of x dx. Putting the value of f of x 0 to 4 x square into k x dx. Putting the value of k 1 by 8 0 to 4 x cube dx. The integral value of 1 by 8 third bracket x to the power 4 by 4 0 to 4. Now we have to write the value is 1 by 8 4 to the power 4 by 4 minus 0 or equal to 1 by 8 into 4 cube equal to 1 by 8 into 64, that means 8. Now putting the value in equation 1 of expectation of x square and expectation of x. Expected value of x, we have to write expected value, dear students. Expected value x is x 1 by 8 by 3. The value of variance of x is 8 by 3 equal to 8 by 8 minus 8 by 3 square or equal to 8 minus 64 by 9, 972 minus 64 equal to 8 by 9. That's answer. The variance of the value of variance is 8 by 9. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand this problem. Dear students, if you face any problem, you watch the video again and again. Thanks to all. Goodbye.